Keep food under this mound.
The tires keep the plastic.
Food, that's a lot of
Feed
food.
just stored all under there.
Whoa.
These are what we call bunker silos or horizontal silos.
Oh, the smell.
And there's some of the tractors they use to pack the silage. They're really heavy. You can see why it gets so tight.
They're all
Okay.
staring at us.
Here you can see, see the buffet lines. The cows are busily eating. They finished around 8 and now they started here at 10. No breed. Except there's just a couple others in. You see the little brown one down there. Where those stalls are.
They're staring at us.
You have a question? Stand around and read you what you try a star.
This baby underneath the cow was just born an hour ago.
We average about 5 babies every day that are born. Yes.
What is that?
Oh, I can't even get up. Here it is. Oh, I can't even stand.
There, see the baby just got up.
That's so cute.
They usually get up within the first hour after they're born.
So it's probably the first time I'd ever got up.
These cows are just coming back from being milked over here. They were just milked. When they went to feed, there seemed like more feed left than normal. They looked through the feed and there wasn't any. They couldn't find any candy. The cows had picked out all the candy. So they don't feed candy anymore. I guess they decided if they didn't clean up their vegetables, they don't get candy. Take a right here. When so nobody needs to chase the cows on or chase them off. They learn how to get on and off on their own, and they keep getting on as it's moving and getting on.
All these cows waiting for y'all. I know. Right here, and they go around and they milk them on this.
Are you doing this for your vlog?
Yeah.
Wait, can I say hey to the vlog? Hey to the
A
vlog.
massage over there. You see that?
Oh, that person.
All of these cows are fighting. Trying to say hello. And they're all trying to fight to get these faces. It's really funny.
Look at
Look at them. They're all staring. This is crazy, guys. Look at that one.
Some of the cows are pushing the other cows. Oh, look there. I'm scared if I sit. Oh my.
You can look through the glass.
I can't do this. Welcome to Puck Family Challenges, the best channel on
best
YouTube.
channel ever. You should
Those two are
You should go
subscribers, so
follow
yeah,
them.
you should
Yes, we are
subscribe.
subscribed.
Okay, we just got done eating lunch at Long's Park, and now we're off to a sewage treatment place.
I didn't film, but it did smell better than I thought it would. I mean, sometimes it smelled bad. Now we're gonna go to the landfill, and hopefully I'm able to film some of that. So bye. And over there is a huge wind turbine. That is. You guys can't see this, but it is ginormous. It's huge. And the trucks that are making this bigger, and right out there is the Susquehanna River. It's really pretty.
Bottom and they talk about
And we're
green
on the
energy.
top right now. We're on the top, and this is all trash. This is a trash shed.
We're off-roading.
Oh yeah.
Whoa.
Okay guys, so I'm done with the field trip. It was interesting and a little strange at the same time, but I'd say it was an okay field trip. See you next video. Bye guys.